Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a step by step how you can upload or push any local project from VS Code directly to GitHub. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly so you can follow along without getting stuck. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Git SCM. Click on download link, choose your operating system and install Git. I already have it installed, but you can check if Git is working on your computer by opening the command prompt and typing git-v. If see a version number, that means Git is installed successfully. Next, go to github.com and sign in your account. Click on the new repository button. Give a repository name that doesn't match any of your previous repository. That click on create repository. That's your GitHub repository is ready. Now open VS Code and launch the terminal first. Type git init to initialize Git inside your project folder. That type git add dot to all your files. After that, copy the command show on GitHub for pushing and executing project and pasting them in your VS Code terminal. Congratulations, your local project is now uploaded on GitHub. What if you make sense later and want to update the same project on your GitHub? Easy, just type git add dot again, then write git commit -m inside the codes. Describe what you change, for example add login feature or fixed homepage bug. Finally type git push. That's it, your new code is pushed on the same repository. If this video is helpful, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.